Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. I'm going to show you another customizable feature in this video on the center screen. You can change the background and the colors of your screen. I've got my screen set up with a black background and red outlines to the boxes, and where it says home is red. Now, if you want a white background, you need to go into the setup menu and come down one on the scroll and find theme settings. In theme settings you'll find 4 different color combinations. The red and the blue are both on a black background, so you still get the black, but then all your letters are lit up in blue. You then get 2 white backgrounds, and you can see the difference in the screens. So it's setup, theme, pick the colour scheme you want on this screen. I like the red, and that's how you change the background on your screen. Right, I hope you find that information useful. Please consider a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Thank you very much.